Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you do watch this video till the end, as I believe this is a high probability trade and it can bring you good amount of profits. So stay tuned. So here I have the 1 week time frame, and what I want to highlight here is this. This is a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. So what does this tell me? This tell me that we are in a bullish market. So I'll be looking for buying opportunities in this market. So let me just clear this. We know that we're looking for buying opportunities as this is a bullish market. So let me dive into the analysis deeper. So yeah, I'll be focusing on this price of action here, piece of price action over here. So immediately I can see that, okay, let me see what type of pattern I found here. Beautiful. This is the 1, 2, 3 pattern, a descending pattern, 3 touches on both sides. As you guys can see, here's my first touch, second touch, and a third touch. First touch, second touch, and third touch on both sides of the pattern. So that confirms that, okay, this is a valid pattern. And as you guys can see over here, impulse correction. So looking for the next impulse. So we have broken impulsively out of this pattern. Now this can be a possible. Let me just clear this. So this can be a possible continuation pattern, but we'll see that on the lower time frame, like the 1 day or the 4-hour time frame. So, but let me just clear this to keep my analysis clean so that you guys can see exactly what I see. There's the high of this pattern. So we expect price to go to the upside to this point here. So something similar like this, impulse, correction, impulse to the upside to complete the 90% rule. So let me dive to the 1 day time frame. Oh, I forgot to do this. Let me just say the settings of my trend lines so that you can include the daily and not the minutes time frame. So let me go to the daily time frame. So I'll be looking for continuation pattern over here. As you can see, this is a impulse. Now we're looking for correction, impulse, and I'll be looking for a continuation pattern in this correction. Something similar to this. As you guys can see, we have one touch over here, one touch, two touch, third touch, one touch, two touch, third touch. So we have touches on both sides of the pattern, and we have an impulsive break like you guys saw on the 1 week time frame. Now we're looking for a continuation pattern, then an impulse again to go to the upside to confirm that we are bullish. So as you guys can see, we've broken out of this structure impulsively, and now we're looking for continuation pattern on this on the outside of this structure, on the other side of the trend line, something similar to this, then then go up, something like that. So as you guys can see, this pattern looks similar to the one on the 1 week time frame. And if I use the bar pattern, I can see that, okay, yeah, this pattern might do something like this. And where's the target of this? It's over here, the 90% rule. So this price should complete the 90% rule to the top. As you guys can see, it is broken out of this continuation pattern. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see exactly what we see there. On the 4-hour time frame, I'll also be looking for continuation pattern. As you guys can see, this is the impulsive leg. This is a correction here. So we'll be looking for another impulse to the upside. to complete a higher time frame pattern, and also to complete this 4-hour time frame, this 1-day time frame pattern. So let me dive into the analysis. As you guys can see, this pattern has been broken impulsively, corrective, going for the next impulse. As you guys can see, now I don't see any patterns here on the 4-hour time frame, so I'll be going down to the 1-hour time frame to see it more clearly. And on the 1-hour time frame, this is what I see. Okay, I think this is a possible breakout, but let me see. And yes, this is a possible breakout. And this candlestick over here, we don't count it because this occurred when market was closed at 11 o'clock. So this candlestick doesn't count. We don't count it in the pattern because market was closed that time. So here's a pattern, also a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, possible 2, 3 structure. So this confirms to us that we have 3 patterns similar to each other and they move in the same nature. So we will be looking for continuation to the upside. As you guys can see, we have broken out of this pattern, not impulsively, but we have broken out of it. So we'll be looking for the entry over here. Say this is the level here. The entry is possibly here. Where's the, okay. Enter here. Stop loss just below this. Then you can swing it to the top, all the way to the top. You know where it ends, at the top. You guys can see this is not even the top. Top is way up there. There's the top. If we have swingers watching these videos, then this is for you guys. For scalpers, you know where to get out. So let me just erase this. So you guys see that we are quite bullish on this market, in this market, on NZDUSD. So do look out for buying opportunities. This is a high probability trade, and buying opportunities should be your first decision when you open a trade here. Don't look for selling opportunities unless it's a retest, a selling retest, something like that. But this, I'll be looking for buying opportunities on this trade. As you guys can see, there are so many confirmations confirming that this is going to the upside. So I'll be looking for buying opportunities only. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I advise you to subscribe to my channel because I will be dropping similar videos to this one. As you see, this is so simple. You can read it. You can easily read it and understand what it is that I see. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.
You know, dang, I'm like got that heat, boy.
Japanese, you young girl, are you kidding me?